I'm gonna die. So please, I'm trying to see you on the other side.
Oh shit, let's get off.
Your nightmare.
Oh, I'm scared, dude.
I have no nightmare.
Why did you take a picture of that car?
I'm just filming.
Why did you take a picture of that car? Are you gonna film the whole thing?
No, not the whole thing. I'm gonna pick part of it. I'm scared, dude.
So am I.
I gotta hold on to you the whole time.
No, hold on to Enrico. Okay.
Enrique.
I said gay.
You just said gay?
I said gay. Like 4K.
We're getting off.
Oh god.
Oh shit. Come on, Enrique.
I need light. I can't
Dude,
find
I'm scared.
Can you light this?
Come on.
Wait, are you gonna video
Okay.
the whole thing?
Well, not the whole thing, only like a part of it. I'm scared. I'm gonna put this little sleeve on. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh god, that was scary. There's a big chase off. Oh shit! Oh, I'm scared. That scared me.
Same here.
Whoa!
Oh my god!
Whoa! That was scary. I'm scared, dude.
Are you still filming?
That's scary. No, that was scary.
Why did you freaking grab onto the picture?
Oh, I'm scared, dude.
He has like this bomb.
Oh, why is Alex Troy here? I want to hold on to him. He's small.
I can't take any pictures.
Oh god, it's
Sure.
scary. Use flash.
No, I can't. No, but I can't take any videos.
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm scared,
Can you
dude.
take any video? Can you see anything?
Yeah,
Barely.
you can see well.
Oh, you can? Wait, hold on. Wait, so stay
That
here.
was scary. That was scary.
That was.
Oh,
Here it comes.
God.
But how bright is this? See, mine's not that bright.
Yeah. But you can make it brighter by using how? Well, you got the chainsaw.
Oh god. Oh god.
Oh shit.
Take a picture. Take a picture.
Oh, this is the scary part, the base motel. Oh, it scared me. Dude, I'm scared.
So am I.
Oh, I'm gonna hold on to you. Whoa.
Dude, I'm so scared.
I know, me too. I like to have the doors open. I'm probably gonna slam open the door and like yell at you. That's what I'm afraid of. Oh god. Whoa.
Oh,
Ah. Oh god. He's the psycho person. Like that. Wow. God, I'm scared, dude.
I'm gonna take pictures now. You wanna take pictures?